Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Learning Maths with Michelle. Today is the day we'll be learning fractions and whole numbers. Are you ready to listen to a story? I bet you are. So, be calm and enjoy. There once was a farmer who had a lovely wife. They had a beautiful piece of land. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to make their compound beautiful. So, he thought that something was missing on their farm. And it was flowers. She wanted to plant some flowers and went and told the husband, "My dear husband." "Yes, my wife." "What may I do for you?" "I've been thinking it would be so nice if we'd have some roses, if we'd have some flowers around our garden. You know, it would attract the insects and, it will make the environment beautiful." But the farmer only loved to plant the maize and the beans, and so they talked and they shared, and finally he just had to agree. So they made together circular gardens. You can see them. And there were 4. And the farmer said, "Okay, these 2, you can plant your flowers." And the farmer's wife went, yes! She was so happy and thankful. And these 2 other gardens, the farmer would plant the other seeds for food, because indeed we need to have food. We can't feed on flowers. So you can see the farmer's wife very happy. She took the seeds, placed them in her basket, and off she went to the garden. Now, she thought she would plant 15 flower seeds on this garden. So, from her little basket, she went and got 15 flower seeds. Then, she had a clever idea to stand at the middle of the garden and to make sure that she has planted them equally. So she took a seed and placed on one space, took another seed, placed on the other space, took another seed, placed on the other space. She repeated until there were no more seeds on her palm. So, let's see what she did. This is exactly what she did. And as she was doing it, she was counting to make sure that all the seeds in every space were of the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And she found out that one piece out of the 3, she was going to plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the number she was planting on 1/3. Then she was so happy. She went to her next garden. She had an idea of how it is going to be so nice when the flowers blossom. So, let's see what she did. Just like before, she stood at the center and with 12 seeds on her palm, she started placing one at a time on each space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the seeds were gone. They were on the garden. So, 3 pieces out of the total of 4, 3 over 4. How many seeds, how many flowers would appear there? How many seeds would you find on the 3 pieces? She counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so, 3 out of 4 of 12 equals to 9. She was tempted to plant on these 2, but no! They are not for her to plant. They are for the farmer, the husband. That was their deal. She plants on these 2, and the farmer would plant on the others. So, would you help the farmer to plant these ones? And you're able to do that. So, with our children, we could be the farmer, make the garden like this, write the mathematical problem like this, and then give them 18 seeds and let them share and see 2/3 will be how many seeds. Do the same for this one. And if they're able to get their answer right, the farmer and the farmer's wife will be indeed very happy. Me too. So, for the upper graders, you know that we're done with stories, of course. This is for the lower ones. So, let's not come and do the calculations on the maths, but do you know your tables? You really have to be good in your tables, and even if you're not, keep on practicing them as you go along, and you'll find math is not all that difficult. So, what is 1/3 of 15? We've already visualized 1 piece out of 3. So, that is what we call 1/3. So you come and take this off and you make it to a sign of times and you put your 15 and then you ask yourself, how many 3s are hiding? If 3s, if you could imagine 3 would be like an image, like here, for me it's like a twig with 3 leaves. How many twigs would I have holding in my hand that would have 3 leaves? How many twigs? So, 3. How many 3s are hiding in 3? It's only 1. I would have only 1 twig. So, how many 3s are hiding in 15? Let's count them. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. How many 3s are those? Quickly count. There are 5. So inside 15, I have found out that 5 3s are hiding. So what are you left with? Is 5 times 1, which is 5. Come to the next one. 3 out of 4 times 12. You've changed off into times. So 3 out of 4 times 12. So we're looking for multiples of 4. So table of 4 is going to help us here. And this is the image I've used of a butterfly or a ribbon. For me, it's a beautiful butterfly that is flying. So, how many? You see it has 4 wings. How many 4s are hiding inside of 4? Only one. Only one butterfly. How many 4s are hiding inside of 12? Let's say the multiples of 4. We have 4, 8, 12. So if there were butterflies, how many would they be? There would be 3. So how many 4s are hiding inside 12? They are 3. So you look at the numbers that you're left with and you multiply them. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. Gives us 9. Let's move to the next one. How many 3s are hiding inside 3? You cancel and you find it's only 1. How many 3s are hiding inside 18? So, table of 3 or multiples of 3 apply. Let's do it together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. If you don't know how to say it like that, just count and on the third number you shout. 1, 2, 3. You could use counters like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you'll find that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 18, 6 3s are hiding. So we're left with 6 multiplied by 2, which is giving us 12. Now, I think it's only right that I leave this one pending for you to do, so that when you're able to really work it out, you really feel good about yourself. So, dear children, this was fractions and whole numbers, and I hope you have learned something today, and see you when we have the next lesson. Bye for now.